Now, we all know that REDARC are a company that supply all sorts of advanced electronics that help make our travel, whether it's RV travel in a caravan or a motorhome, or obviously a four-wheel drive like me, around Australia, comfortable and safe. But I've got 10 facts that you might not know about these electronic gurus from Adelaide. REDARC was first established in 1979. In 1997, Anthony and Michelle Kittle purchased REDARC. At that time, REDARC had just 8 employees. Now, they have around 200. When REDARC was first founded, it was actually called Lab Service. The REDARC name actually came from the spark developed in the first ignition system produced, which had a red arc. REDARC does more than just brake controllers and battery charging products. Their products can be found on most trucks driving around Australia, and they're even working with major defence companies across the world. You have to wear weird straps to tour the factory. These straps discharge static electricity out of your body as the floor has copper underneath it to ensure the static from your body flows into the ground, making sure you won't damage the electronic circuits that are within each product if you touch them. REDARC has always been based in South Australia. In the early years, it had to keep moving into bigger premises as it kept outgrowing each building. In 2005, Anthony and Michelle purchased a greenfield site and commissioned the construction of a purpose-built, state-of-the-art advanced manufacturing facility. This was opened in 2007, expanded in 2012, 2014 and then again in 2018. The modern design of the factory means you can see from the MD's office through to the assembly area, and key business departments sit side by side. REDARC provide free technical support to answer any product-related question that customers may have here in Australia and across the world. The technical support team are qualified automotive and electronics technicians with working knowledge of REDARC products. Looking after the environment is important to REDARC. In 2018, they finalised a power infrastructure project which has seen the installation of a 100 kilowatt PV solar power system on its roof of its Lonsdale facility. This project saw 370 solar panels installed on the roof, which can generate 140 megawatt hours of energy per year, so REDARC will be able to offset CO2 carbon emissions by 80 tonnes per year. They also have a 135 kilowatt hour Tesla battery system made up of 9 Tesla Powerwalls, 2 battery units and sophisticated control software to manage and store unused solar production. REDARC's surface mount technology room is one of the most advanced in the world. It's known as a clean room with constant levels of temperature and humidity. REDARC recently purchased a new line where each PCB produced has 100% traceability down to a component level. This SMT line is capable of placing 12 components a second. The line can place components as small as this and as large as this. And in January 2019, this line placed 5.9 million components in the month. REDARC recently built a new electromagnetic compatibility chamber to ensure all of its products are tested to international standards. This room blocks both incoming and outgoing signals. REDARC also conducts accelerated lifetime and environment testing. This HALT lab accelerates 10 years of product life over just 2 days. It cools to -100 and heats to 200 degrees Celsius. And this agree or shake and bake machine simulates driving conditions and temperature and humidity extremes. I've personally been using REDARC products since 2010, but demand for REDARC products is now so great that they sell all over the world in as far-reaching places as Qatar, Poland, Mexico, North America and South Africa.